Achieving financial independence and retiring early is a goal that many individuals aspire to. It requires careful planning, disciplined financial habits, and a long-term perspective. In this video we will explore the key steps and strategies you can implement to work towards financial independence and early retirement. Define your financial goals. Start by clearly defining your financial goals. Determine the amount of money you need to achieve financial independence and retire early. Consider factors such as your desired lifestyle, future expenses, and anticipated retirement age. Having a specific target in mind will help guide your financial decisions and provide motivation throughout the journey. Assess your current financial situation. Take a thorough look at your current financial situation. Evaluate your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Calculate your net worth and assess your cash flow. Understanding your current financial position will help you identify areas for improvement and set realistic targets. Create a budget and track your spending. Develop a comprehensive budget that aligns with your financial goals. Identify your fixed expenses, such as housing, utilities, and debt payments, as well as discretionary expenses. Track your spending to ensure you stay within your budget and identify areas where you can cut back to increase savings. Save and invest. Saving a significant portion of your income is crucial for achieving financial independence and early retirement. Aim to save a high percentage of your earnings, ideally 50% or more. Maximize contributions to retirement accounts such as 401k plans, IRAs, or other tax-advantaged investment vehicles. Explore different investment options, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate, to grow your wealth over time. Reduce and eliminate debt. Debt can be a significant obstacle to achieving financial independence. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts, such as credit cards or personal loans. Consider using the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to accelerate your debt repayment. Minimize new debt and adopt a debt-free mindset to free up more money for savings and investments. Increase your income. Look for opportunities to increase your income. Negotiate a higher salary at your current job, seek promotions or career advancements, or explore side hustles and part-time jobs. Use your skills and talents to generate additional streams of income, such as freelancing, consulting, or starting a small business. The more you earn, the faster you can save and invest towards financial independence. Live below your means. Adopt a frugal lifestyle and practice living below your means. Cut unnecessary expenses, avoid lifestyle inflation, and prioritize value over material possessions. Embrace minimalism and focus on experiences rather than material goods. By reducing your expenses, you can save more and accelerate your journey towards financial independence. Continuously educate yourself. Stay informed about personal finance, investing, and retirement planning. Read books, attend seminars, or enroll in courses to enhance your financial knowledge. Stay up to date with current trends, tax laws, and investment strategies. Educating yourself will enable you to make informed decisions and optimize your financial plan. Plan for health insurance and unexpected expenses. Medical costs can be a significant financial burden, so ensure you have adequate health insurance coverage. Research different health insurance options and consider factors such as premiums, deductibles, and coverage limits. Additionally, build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses or income disruptions. Aim to have at least 6 to 12 months' worth of living expenses saved in a readily accessible account. Seek professional advice. Consider consulting with a financial advisor who specializes in retirement planning and early retirement. They can provide personalized guidance based on your specific financial situation and help you develop a comprehensive plan. A financial advisor can offer insights, monitor your progress, and make adjustments as needed to keep you on track towards financial independence. Continually monitor and adjust. Regularly review your financial plan and monitor your progress towards your goals. Track your investments, assess your portfolio performance, and make adjustments as necessary. Revisit your budget periodically and make necessary modifications to accommodate changes in your income, expenses, or financial goals. Stay disciplined and committed to your plan, making adjustments along the way to ensure you stay on the path towards financial independence and early retirement. In conclusion, achieving financial independence and retiring early requires careful planning, disciplined financial habits, and a long-term perspective. By defining your financial goals, assessing your current situation, saving diligently, reducing debt, increasing your income, living below your means, and seeking professional advice, you can work towards financial independence and retire early. Remember, it is a journey that requires commitment, patience, and consistent effort. Stay focused, make informed decisions, and enjoy the progress you make along the way. Please support our channel, Adu Site, by subscribing and liking our videos. For more exciting, informative and educational videos, please enable bell icon for getting notification when we upload our new videos.